Driver charged with murder of pregnant teenage girl. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police have charged the driver who was taken into custody in relation to the murder of a pregnant teenager who was found wrapped in a tarpaulin in Devon, Penn St. Mary on January the 5th. 39-year-old Labidi Carr, also known as Chubby of Sligo Road, Mountain View, St. Andrew, was formally charged with murder of the 16-year-old Judine Gale, also known as Big Red, on Saturday afternoon. Gale is believed to have been killed elsewhere and then dumped in the St. Mary community by her killer. The police investigation led the St. Mary division to take Carr into custody as the primary suspect. Commenting, Anthony Wallace, acting superintendent of police for the St. Mary division, authorities are working to finalize the court date for Mr. Carr, which will be announced in due course. The police remain committed to delivering justice for the victim and her family and urge anyone with additional information regarding this case to come forward. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.